How to download GTA Vice City on PC. Now, for you to be able to get this game, you'll need to create a Rockstar Games account. For you to be able to do that, just pull up your web browser and then head to your rockstargames.com. Okay, so once you are on the website, all you just have to do is to click this icon right here, and then you can choose to sign in or sign up. If you don't have an account yet, you have to sign up and then you have to arrange your payment method to purchase games. Now, for you to be able to download GTA Vice City, just click on this magnifying button right here and then type in GTA Vice City. You scroll down and then click GTA Vice City Stories. Now, once you click GTA Vice City Stories, all you have to do once you already sign in to your account, just click on Buy Now. You will be routed to another page in which you can choose to have a package in it. So if you purchase Grand Theft Auto, the trilogy, the definitive edition, you'll get like three edition of GTA Grand Theft Auto versions in it. You'll get the Grand Theft Auto 3, you'll get the Vice City stories, and you'll also get the GTA San Andreas. Now, you'll just have to click on Buy Now for you to be able to add this game to your cart, and it will automatically install by itself. Once everything is done, you'll be able to enjoy those three games in no time. So that's how you download GTA Vice City on PC.